Good morning, guys. How you all doing today? See what I'm doing today, guys? It's raining a lot, and what I'm actually doing, I'm waking up the soil. This is the reason why it's good to plant deep, because when you plant deep and you come and you're waking up the soil, it's not gonna damage the root of the plant. And this is very important, guys. Waking up the soil, loosening up the soil, help the plant to generate a lot more root. And the more root the plant generate, it's always, you stand a better chance. Hey, what's up, guys? What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. How you all doing today? So today, guys, we're gonna do an update on small space garden or backyard garden. Even though you have a small space, guys, you can make it happen by doing vertical garden. Vertical garden is a wonderful thing. Why? Because it eliminates a lot of space. So instead of everything is running on the ground, you put it on a trail and allow it to go up in the air. Look at that right there. And as you can see, this is a pumpkin in a small space, and all I have the pumpkin doing is making circles. This is the breeder pumpkin, already pollinated. The next one here, basically pollinated as well. Look at how it's running. It's running in all different angles, all down here. It's running all the way up here. Watch come around here, look it right here. So all I have it on a trail making circles. We had corn growing, we had lima beans growing, all these things growing just in this little space, guys. Around this side here, we have pepper growing, and if you notice, the pepper is producing already. We have another pepper here. This one here already, the same pepper. We have another one here. We have okra growing here, and this is the squash. And look how the squash is growing all the way going up there. This side we have sweet potato growing here. We had corn. We already harvest the corn, and all coming up here is just sweet potato growing here, okra growing, rosemary, all different type of plants growing in this container. We also have our pepper growing here. We also have dragon fruit. You see, more pepper growing up here, guys. And all this is in small space. Yes, guys, over this side here is where we're growing fruit trees, tropical fruit trees. Our grapes already produced. We already harvest from our grapes. This is a one that I now plant in this container here. All these is sweet lemon. This is an avocado tree right here. This is an apple tree that I'm growing from seed. Oh, this is a mango tree. This is sweet lemon. All these are small papaya growing up here. This is my pear. I think it's honey dripping pear. This one here is a lemon plant. What happened was the graft dries off, as you can see, and the original plant start growing. You see what I'm saying? Yes. This is our papaya tree. If you notice, you're gonna see where the papaya tree already start producing, but it's not holding for now. So I'm hoping that next year it might produce. This is another avocado tree growing up here, guys. Let me come back that you can see. Yes. And all in this area here, guys, we have all type of plants growing. Rosemary, turmeric, ginger, zucchini, pumpkin, all them things growing up in this area here. marigold, all these leaf of life, comfrey, all this turmeric, ginger, Tabasco pepper, doing really well, all going over there, turmeric going over here. You see guys, and this is squash and pumpkin growing up right over here. Alright, so let's go up here. In this pot, all this is papaya. We have moringa, that's a mango there, and this one here is avocado. More avocado right here. Tabasco pepper, more avocado, and this one here it's a moringa. So yes guys, this is how much you can grow in a small space garden. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.